Hello everyone, and welcome to Matthew Plushie Productions. Today, we're going to be unboxing some Five Nights at Freddy's plushies that I have ordered. So as you can see, we got a box down here, a second box up here, and another package that arrived a couple days ago. These two packages I got today. So, we're going to be unboxing them, and I'll be showing you which Five Nights at Freddy's plushies I got. Let's start with the one that I received a couple days ago. So we're going to cut this open. Oh, and I got Glamrock Chica over here. And I think that is it. Yep, that's it for the first package. Now moving on to the boxes. And I think I'll open both of these at once. So yeah, let's quickly open these boxes up. Okay, I got both boxes open. Now let's dump the plushies down and see what we get. Why did I do that? Okay, looking at both of these plushies, you can see that one of them is standard Chica and one of them is Lefty. Let's open the package of these up. So as you can see, we have Lefty right here from, I believe, from Five Nights at Freddy's Pizza Simulator. Oh, yep, it says it right on this tag. And we have the normal Chica the Chicken from the original Five Nights at Freddy's game, right here. Oh, and from that smaller box, we got Funtime Foxy, which will go really great with the Five Nights at Freddy's, or not Freddy, the sister location Freddy that I got. So yeah, and all of these are Funko branded, which I really like. So here are the 4 plushies that came within a couple days. Okay, I will see you guys when the rest of my Five Nights at Freddy's plushies come. Alrighty, it is day 2, and another package has arrived that I think contains more of my plushies that I've ordered. So let's open it up. So, I am right now expecting like some Twisted Ones animatronics and a Bonnie plush. So let's see which one came today. Open it up. Ooh! It's my Twisted One animatronics. Ooh. This is a set. Do not separate. It says on right here. So, ooh! I think we could just open it like this. Wow, a bag within a bag. Nice. Can we open this one easily? Oh, I think we can. Oh yes. Why did I do that? Alrighty. First we have Twisted Chica right here. We got a cupcake on the side. Looks really scary. These are... Oh yeah, these plushies are from the Twisted Ones books. Yeah, both the graphic novel and the regular novel. So this is Twisted Chica. I'll just put it over there. Next up is Twisted Bonnie right here. So this is what Twisted Bonnie looks like. So yeah, here is Twisted Freddy right here. So yeah, that's Twisted Freddy. And here is Twisted Foxy. Yeah, this one looks really insane. So yeah, these are the Twisted Ones animatronics. So yeah, I will see you on day 3 when the last plush arrives. Hello, we are back. And this is actually still day 2 because the UPS just came and dropped off this package, which might actually have the last plush I ordered. So let's open it up real quick. And yeah, I'm not kidding. This was shipped in UPS for some reason instead of regular mail. Because this is not heavy or a thing that uses batteries. Okay. Come on out. Alright, here we go. And, oh! This is a game I actually ordered. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, the light is on because it's kind of dark outside. But yeah, this is actually my Mario Plus Rabbids Spark of Hope game that I've actually ordered on Amazon last week. This was originally $60, but since it was still in the Christmas holidays, I got this for $40. So yeah, save money. Okay, and now the last plush that I've ordered, if I can get this packaging open. And the last plush I've ordered is regular Bonnie from the first Five Nights at Freddy's game. Yes! So, all my plushies have arrived. Yes! Here are all my Five Nights at Freddy's plushies. So yeah, I do plan to make some Five Nights at Freddy's plushie videos. And maybe some Five Nights at Freddy's music plush videos. Or Five Nights at Freddy's plush music videos. Like, however you want to say it, but yeah, if you'd like to see that kind of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I think I may do a full video showing off all the plushies I now have. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you when I make another video. Bye!